On Friday, June 7, the Special POCSO Court in Delhi sentenced a 49-year-old accused to 10 years of rigorous imprisonment in a case of child marriage, considered as child rape. This is a landmark judgment which has established that child marriage is child rape, a significant and decisive step in the fight to end child marriage.
On June 7th, the Special POCSO Court at Tees Hazari, Delhi sentenced a 49-year-old accused to maximum sentences in child marriage and for the continuous offence of rape under the POCSO Act, giving him 10 years of rigorous imprisonment. The survivor was just 13 years old at the time of her marriage. She was provided Rs 10.5 lakhs as compensation for her rehabilitation. 7 years after the Supreme Court declared sexual intercourse with a wife under the age of 18 as rape, this judgment is another landmark milestone in the fight to end child marriage. The survivor recalls that she was pushed into child marriage by the people of her village. The man used to beat her brutally, inflicting violence and rape on the young girl, abuse that she endured for more than a year with nowhere to go and nobody to ask for help. It was only when the neighbors informed the police did the case come to light.
केस के दौरान ये फाइंड आउट हुई कि ये जो मैटर जो है चाइल्ड मैरिज के साथ साथ पॉक्सो के साथ ये जुड़ा मैटर जुड़ा हुआ है और कंप्लीट इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट ट्रायल के बाद 7 जून 2024 में ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट ने इस मैटर में ऑर्डर सेंटेंस पास किया.
What is also significant is that convictions in child marriage cases are few and far between. So a conviction with a prison sentence that also reiterates child marriage as child rape is especially critical.
The conviction order in this particular case becomes important because the trial court has treated the entire period of exploitation in which this minor girl was illegally married to the accused being of 49-year-old and the child being of 13-year-old, as continuous sexual exploitation. This sends a very strong message that child marriage is child rape.
Ultimately, timely legal judgments, rehabilitation and adequate compensation are crucial for delivering justice to the survivors. The hope is that Delhi judgment acts as a precedent for many such cases across the country that need to be dealt with just as decisively with a view to ending child marriage by 2030.